Breathe in deeply and let your body sink down. You are safe. You are warm. Outside, a storm is raging, but you are inside. Picture yourself in a small wooden cabin deep in the forest. The walls are made of solid logs. They hold the warmth in and keep the storm out. The roof is already half buried under snow. The window has frosted around its edges, but through the glass you can sense the snowflakes swirling wildly in the darkness. A fire is burning in the fireplace. Birch logs are crackling and glowing orange. In front of the hearth lies a thick woolen blanket. You are underneath it. Your body is warm. Your limbs are heavy. You need nothing else. Close your eyes, if they are not already closed. Feel how your feet sink into the soft surface beneath you. Your toes, let them go. Let them relax one by one. The relaxation rises slowly upward into your calves, your knees, your thighs. You are no longer holding anything up. Your stomach rises and falls gently. Your shoulders, perhaps they have been raised all day. Let them drop now. Your neck loosens. Your jaw softens slightly. The tension between your brows fades away. Your whole body is now heavy and warm, like stepping out of a sauna. Listen to the sound of the storm. It is far away from you. Behind walls, behind logs, behind warmth. Every gust of wind reminds you of how safe you are right now. A log snaps in the fire. A spark flies. The glass reflects the dancing flame. Through the window, you catch a glimpse of the snowdrifts glittering. Then the blizzard swallows everything in white. You simply breathe. You do not need to hold on to anything. Your body knows what to do. It is tired in a good way. Tired from forest air, from warmth. The blanket feels heavy on top of you. Your breathing slows. The storm continues outside. It does not disturb you. You are safe. You are warm. The cabin holds you.